Msafe Scaffolding Training System. Essential safety measures for proper scaffolding use.
Fall protection is paramount. Always use guardrails, mid-rails, and toe boards, and personal fall arrest systems when working at heights of 10 feet or more. Guardrails must be 38 to 45 inches high. Proper use of personal protective equipment, or PPE, is non-negotiable. Hard hats, non-slip footwear, gloves, and, when appropriate, safety harnesses and chin straps are mandatory. Don't forget tool lanyards to prevent dropped objects.
So, the lanyards protect workers below from falling tools. Got it.
Scaffolds must support at least 4 times the intended load, an OSHA requirement. Never overload platforms. Also, always erect and dismantle scaffolds according to manufacturer instructions and under the supervision of a competent person.
So, even a small error in assembly could compromise the whole structure. What about stability?
Always ensure base plates are on solid, level ground to prevent tipping. And for stability, install cross-bracing and guy wires as specified. These are essential for structural integrity.
It's all about preventing any movement. What about hazards nearby?
Always maintain at least 10 feet from power lines. Increase that distance for larger equipment. And, critically, a competent person must inspect scaffolds before each work shift and after any incident that could affect structural integrity.
I understand. Safety is always the top priority. Thanks for the Msafe scaffolding training.